Welcome to NVIDIA GTC Taipei 2026. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the distance between concept and market leadership is narrowing. Today, we are witnessing a pivotal moment where sophisticated startups leverage the NVIDIA stack to solve complex modern challenges across all industries. These pioneers represent the frontier of physical and sovereign AI. By utilizing NVIDIA's full-stack acceleration, they are bridging digital intelligence with real-world infrastructure, anchored by breakthroughs in ubiquitous quantum classical computing, AI-native 5G, 6G connectivity, and precision science. Let's meet the innovators shaping this new reality. The Trica's Research AI agent integrates NVIDIA Physics NeMo and Physics AI models to accelerate the end-to-end R&D lifecycle, from designing experiments and running simulations to finding research insights. By combining physical simulations that run 1,000 times faster with statistical algorithms, they reduce experiments by 70% and compress weeks of R&D into minutes. In healthcare, Findings Tech leads Taiwan in fatty liver quantification with HepatoWell AI, powered by NVIDIA Monai and a proprietary 3D deep learning model. The platform achieves a DICE score over 90%, ensuring high-precision volumetric liver fat fraction (VLFF) analysis, even amidst motion artifacts. For physical AI, Nexuni leverages the NVIDIA Isaac Root-End model and NVIDIA Jensen platform to develop physical AI applications in complex environments where traditional automation fails. By enabling robots to reason and adapt, Nexuni solves critical labor shortage issues. Impact is proven through high-stakes developments, where AI quadrupeds reduce manpower needs by 65% in Singapore's integrated facilities management sector. While in Taiwan, autonomous welding robots increase production efficiency by 50%. Nexuni is redefining the global workforce with systems that see, think, and act.
Real World, on the other hand, is tackling one of the hardest problems in robotics: generalized dexterous manipulation. Their RealDex Foundation model, co-developed with NVIDIA Isaac Lab, allows robotic systems to perform fine motor tasks like assembly and sorting across industries without needing to be reprogrammed for every task.
A leader in the quantum ecosystem, Quantum Brilliance utilizes NVIDIA CUDA-Q and Q-TensorNet to build diamond-based quantum chips. Their technology is designed to accelerate the integration of quantum processors into accelerated supercomputers. Powered by Grace Hopper, they have achieved a 3x increase in simulation capacity, allowing them to better understand how their hardware and applications will run, reaching simulations of up to 140 qubits. SINA-XG is transforming enterprise network infrastructure by delivering AI radio access network (AI RAN) technology that can run 5G and AI workloads concurrently on the same platform. Leveraging NVIDIA AI Aerial, SINA-XG's software-defined AI RAN platform delivers carrier-grade 5G connectivity with deterministic low latency while supporting AI at the edge. This is critical for physical AI, where intelligent networks depend on consistent real-time connectivity. The breakthroughs witnessed here in Taipei are only the beginning. For those ready to lead the next industrial cycle, the NVIDIA Inception program offers the technical and strategic foundation required to scale. We invite you to be part of this ecosystem and transform your vision into market-leading solutions. Apply to NVIDIA Inception. Let's build a future together.